So now the question before us is find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with height 12 centimeter and slant height 13 centimeter. This is the conical vessel. This is the radius. This is the height. This is slant height. From here to here, this is slant height and it is 13 centimeter. What other we have? This is the height from here to here. This is the height and this is 12 centimeter. We have not been given radius. This is the radius. So what we have is height is equal to 12 centimeter. Slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter. Radius is not known to us. Now, what is the capacity of the conical vessel in liters? Capacity of conical vessel is equal to volume of conical vessel. What is the formula for volume of conical vessel? It is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So here we will have to find out the value of r. We know that there is a relationship between height, slant height and radius. So as per the Pythagorean theorem, the relationship is shown by L square is equal to R square plus H square. So R square is equal to L square minus H square. R is equal to under root L square minus H square. We will fill in the relevant values. L 13. What is the value of H? It is 12. 13 square means 169. 12 square means 144. After doing reduce after 169 minus 144, it will come as 25. Under root 25 means r is equal to 5 centimeter. Radius, this is the radius. So here we will put in the value of r and other items. It is pi, r is 5, h height 12. So here this is the capacity of the conical vessel or volume in cubic centimeter. Now what is the question? We have to find the capacity in liters. We know that we know that 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, or we can say that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 over 1000 liter. So here 1 over 1000. It will come as 11 divided by 35 liters. This is the answer. This is the capacity of the conical vessel in liters. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.